Welcome to my channel. This is Kenny. Welcome to Kenny TV. Today we have 2006 Mini Cooper. We have check engine lights. I'll show you what you do. This is, you connect the OBD2 reader. So basically to reader, just any basic one, and you connect it. You say read the code, and let's see what we got. We got O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 2. So P0138. Stay with us. We can show you how you diagnose this. Okay, so right now we're gonna show you the O2 sensor. So this vehicle have two O2 sensor. This is one of them right here. The top one, the wire connect here. This is a bank 1 sensor 1. You can see it. Okay, so we have bank 2 sensor 2, bank 1 sensor 2 issues. It's going to be under the vehicle. If you have a lift it up just like me. If not, you just jack it up. Keep watching. Oh, by the way, this vehicle is not not turbo, so it's a basic Mini Cooper. But even as a turbo, it's going to be a same engine design, but it's going to be a less room. Let's go up with the lift saw. All the way, all the way. Go up. Go up. Good. Stay on this side, okay? Okay. So this is this brand. Amish, come on, go down. Go down. Okay. Yeah, this job is also just, we're gonna go down like you see, and we're gonna process that, clearing the erase and the check engine light, and double check everything to make sure. It's good. Okay, right now here's my scan tools. I'm gonna sit down here. Okay, so the scan tools are connected right here, so it's so simple. And for anybody who doesn't have experience about Mini Cooper, you open the hood, but on the right side, not on the left side. Some people they confuse. Right now I have my scan tools connected. That's everything, and now we're gonna go back. Back. Okay, so here's number 3, asking you if you want to erase the code. That's what we're gonna do. So yes. Are you sure you want to? Yes. This is, so erasing is done. Now we're gonna go back. Okay. Exit. Just what do you do? Turn the key on, off all the way, and start the vehicle. See? Like you see, this check engine light is gone. We just took care of the check engine light, and for anybody can do it themselves, I save a lot of money Actually, this vehicle, it's a really low mileage, 79,000 miles. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the engine again. Just make sure there's no pendant code or something that's happening here. To just make sure you're gonna go back to read code again. So you see, no more codes. Just make sure you take care of the part. So we're gonna go to pendant code. So if there's anything pending, it's nothing pending. So this job is done for good. Little Mini Cooper. By the way, this check engine light is gonna cause emission the vehicle to not pass in state inspection. So this is really important to do it. And this engine is so base, so there's a spark plug wire, the ignition wires. I just want to give guys, anybody watching this video, some idea about this engine. This engine, like a European design, is many other company and other vehicle they use in Europe. So there's an alternator right here, and this is a purge valve for the evap, PCV valve, ignition coil, ignition wire, and this is you put oil here, and antifreeze, power steering fluid. The battery is right here, so in the fuse box, air filter box right here. So to give you some information, and you check the oil right here. This is, I mean, a lot of people, they have this thing. You say, oh, European car costs a lot of money to fix. Yeah, I mean, if you know how to fix it, it's easy. And also, this is a brake fluid, okay? And this is ABS pump, and yeah, this is base bolt, and it's a fun vehicle to drive. This is transmission coolant right here, and this little piece, and this is AC condenser radio right here. And I'm just trying to give some info about this little car. It's a fun car to drive. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll be happy to help to save everybody time and money. And I'm trying to make more videos. Yeah, please subscribe and like, comment down below. I can make more video for everyone, can be helpful to save money. Basically, you can do this job in your driveway and save $300 to $400. Save money. Thank you.